Hello, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Maraming salamat, Cancer, sa lahat po ng nagdo-donate sa ating channel, sa mga nagsisend po ng super thanks. Maraming salamat. Thank you for your generosity. Thank you for sharing your blessings with me. I truly appreciate them. Sorry po sa busina. Grabe. Lakas. So, yung first message po ninyo, Cancer, is bloom and attract more than butterflies. Ayan. So, parang ngayon, magbo-bloom kayo. Ngayon, parang meron kayong room para sa sarili niyo sa pag-grow, sa pag-expand, sa pag-thrive. You know, napakagandang energy. What else? We have courage. Ayan, so maybe kailangan ninyo sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon ang courage and inner strength. Buhayin ninyo yan. Maaring yan ang missing piece, no, sa puzzle ninyo. Maaring yan ang kailangan ninyo para makapagsimula na kayo na mag-take ng practical steps, no, towards doon sa inyong pag-grow, sa inyong pag-thrive, no. What else? We have be present. Use the hours, don't count them. Ayan. So, be present in the here and now. Cancer, siguro focused masyado ang iba sa inyo sa kung ano ang tapos na, ano ang nakaraan na, and maybe you're also focused on what is yet to come, no? Kaya iniimbitahan kayo ngayon na be present. Dito muna tayo sa kung ano ang merong sa ngayon, kung ano yung mga bagay na nag-unfold sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. Dito muna, yan ang enjoy ninyo, yun ang pag-focusan ninyo, yan ang bigyan ninyo ng panahon, ano? Cancer, what else? We have dare, take a risk, and fly. So, feels like to me, no, na yung pag-expand ninyo sa ngayon, it requires you to take risk, no? Kasi, kailangan nga ninyo dito ng courage. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo takot, or nagpo-procrastinate at some point before na mag-take action towards whatever that is na gusto ninyong simulan or gusto ninyong gawin, because siguro sanay na kayo doon na nandun lang kayo sa comfort zone ninyo. Pero ngayon, maybe there are opportunities around you for you to bloom, for you to grow, for you to expand, for you to evolve. Kaya parang siguro it requires also for you to take risk, no? It requires you to get out of your comfort zone. Kaya inaanyayahan kayo dito, no, with the courage energy na i-activate ninyo ang inyong courage and your inner strength for you to be able to pursue whatever it is, no, na gusto ninyo na mangyari or gusto ninyong gawin. So, sandali lang po, mayroong nalaglag na card. Alright, so ito po yung unang card ninyo dito sa deck na ito. Jealousy, watch who you trust with your personal secrets and plans. Spend time outdoors with nature to reconnect and replenish. Ayan, so ang iba sa inyo dito may need to spend time with nature sa ngayon para makapagmuni-muni kayo, para din na makapag-replenish kayo ng mga lost energy. Kasi nga naman, ano, yung nature is very therapeutic, it's very healing. Kaya kung meron kayong mga nararamdaman na pagod, exhaustion, yung ganon, ano, or confused mind ang meron kayo, nakakatulong, no, yung nature spirits. Kaya maybe that's what you need to do right now, no, spend time with nature, spend time outdoors, okay? Also, you know, sabi dito, watch who you trust with your personal secrets and plans. It's because maaaring yung mapagkakwentuhan ninyo yung mga plano ninyo, mga strategies ninyo, mga future plans ninyo, dreams ninyo, ay baka, alam mo yun, maaaring meron din kainggitan sa katawan, ano? Kaya maaaring masabotage kayo ng taong ito or unahan kayo sa kung ano man ang mga plano ninyo, okay? Get out of jealousy, okay? We have health, an excellent time to start an exercise program or diet. So, napakaganda kasi siguro ang iba sa inyo nagkaka-idea ngayon, na why not start a new diet program or exercise program, 'di ba? Para mapangalagaan ninyo ang inyong pangangatawan. Many new friendships are on the horizon, so be open to that as well. Marami siguro kayong makikilala ng mga bagong kaibigan sa ngayon, Cancer, so good luck to that. Sexuality, existing relationships could find a new passion. So, ang ganda kasi mas magiging passionate kayo with your person sa ngayon, mas magiging sweet kayo with each other, mas extra romantic kayo doon sa existing relationship ninyo, and heightened sexual attraction. Opportunities for marriage and good family life are strong, but if single, beware of temptation that could lead to trouble. A child will also bring great joy. Ang iba sa inyo siguro dito is going to welcome a new baby, or maaaring may dati na kayong anak, and siguro sa ngayon meron siyang, alam mo yun, meron siyang extrang saya, merong extrang joy na bitbit yon, at yan ang nagpapangiti sa inyo. So, posibilidad ng iba sa inyo dito, maaaring ikakasal, mag-aasawa na, maaaring ganon. So, congratulations. You have opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Wow, may bago kayong makikilala, and maaaring makapagpabago yan ng course of your life sa ngayon, Cancer. So, maaaring magiging bagong kaibigan mo to, and maybe this person has a great influence on you to the extent na merong mga pagbabago, sa buhay ninyo na gagawin kayo because maybe of that person's advice or that person's influence on you. Maaari din na meron kayong makikilala dito na maaaring maghatid din sa inyo ng financial opportunities, mga ganon. Exciting times and plenty of action plus a special family reunion looks likely. Ayan, so exciting, maraming siguro pagkikita ng mga magkakamag-anak, magkakaibigan sa ngayon, reunion, yung mga ganon ang ganap dito for some of you. So, good luck po. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan natin ang paunang mensahe ni Scorpio. We have adapt. Ayan. Oh, by the way, Scorpio, before I forget, maraming salamat po sa mga nagdo-donate sa ating channel. Maraming salamat din po sa mga nagsisend ng super thanks. I truly appreciate them po from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity at sa inyong pag-share po ng mga blessings ninyo with me. Your first message is adapt. Yan, you will get yourself where you want to be. Kasi nakakatulong or malaking bagay, na flexible kayo, adaptable kayo to new situations, new experiences, yung ganon. Kaya sabi dito, makakarating ka kung saan ka man patungo, where you need to be or where you are meant to be, makakarating ka dyan. We have bloom. Ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, magbo-bloom sa ngayon. It feels like to me na panahon din ito para sa growth, ang iba sa inyo dito is ready to take risk, is ready to get out of your comfort zone, yung ganon, you're ready to expand, you're ready to evolve into the best version of yourself, parang you are giving birth to the new you, Scorpio. We have play, ayan, so this is an invitation for you as well, na mag-play naman kayo, mag-unwind kayo, i-embrace naman ninyo yung inyong inner child, kahit paminsan lang, kahit saglit lang, Scorpio, dahil siguro wala kayong time for that ever, maaaring exhausted kayo, lagi kayong pagod dahil marami kayong ginagawa, you were always busy, yung ganon, and now you are being invited, na mag-unwind kayo, mag-play naman kayo, and alalahanin po ninyo na all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, hindi ba? Kaya it is extremely important for you, Scorpio, na mag-unwind naman kayo. Okay? Mag-take a breather naman kayo. So, we have persevere. Ayan. Dito naman, siguro, related yan dito sa bloom and sa adapt energy na perseverance, no? That is what you also need. Isa din yan sa importanteng factor para sa pagtatagumpay ng isang tao, yung pagsisikap, pagtsatsaga, pag-persevere, you know? Kahit may mga life's hiccups na nai-encounter, no, along our life's journey, hindi tayo dapat na sumuko, hindi tayo dapat na mag-give up, no? Giving up is not an option in any case, Scorpio, dahil habang may buhay may pag-asa, hindi ba? Kahit may mga obstacles tayong na i-encounter, lagi at lagi din naman yan may solusyon, lagi naman tayong ginagabayan ng divine universe on what we need to do para makalagpas tayo sa kung ano man ang mga challenging situations na dumadating sa buhay natin. Kaya, never give up, just continue to persevere, and di ba nga, sabi dito, you will get yourself where you want to be. Major life change. Time is right for major life changes, as a new lifestyle or location brings great joy and a trouble-free existence. Wow! Napakaganda nito. Major life change. This could be massive. This could be in more than one or two areas of life. Na magkakaroon dito ng shift, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng pagbabago. There could be relocation for some of you dito, Scorpio. Maaari din na meron mga change of place of residence, magpapalit kayo ng bahay, maglilipat kayo ng bahay, maglilipat ng tirahan, you know, and also lifestyle, maaring mas garbo ang magiging lifestyle ng iba sa inyo sa ngayon, or maaring mas magiging simple ang lifestyle ninyo sa ngayon. So, either of the two, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. What else? We have positive work outcomes. Consistent efforts will bring rewards, and a major purchase is worth making. Ayan. So, kaya kailangan na mag-persevere lang, Scorpio. Kahit medyo may mga challenges, medyo may mga difficulties kayo na may encounter, continue to persevere, no? Dagdagan nyo pa yung effort niyo, magtiyaga pa kayo, dagdagan nyo pa yung tiyaga, and it will bring reward kung ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, no? Ang iba sa inyo dito is going to purchase siguro bahay, lupa, sasakyan, mga ganon, ano? Kasi major purchase is worth making, ang sabi dito. We have opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Wow, may bago kayong makikilala, at kung sino man ito, no, this is going to change the course of your life. Maaring magiging love life mo to, or maaring magiging kaibigan, or maybe magiging kanegosyo, maaring ganon, no? Exciting times and plenty of action, plus a special family reunion looks like. So, maaaring meron ditong pagtitipon, pagka-catch up, no, with family and friends. May family reunion na magaganap for some of you, kaya enjoy ninyo yan. We have signs. Your future positive direction will reveal itself. Any doubts and confusions will soon disappear. So it is extremely important as well, Scorpio, to really follow and listen, no, muna to what your intuition is telling you. Kasi you were given intuitive messages dito, you were given guidance, and also you were given signs, symbols, synchronicities as well. So tignan po ninyo, maging observant kayo, maging keen-observer kayo doon sa mga nakikita ninyong symbols, tulad na lamang ng mga animals, feathers, coins, mga cloud formation, kung meron kayong nakikita, rainbows, mga ganon, ano. when it shows up in your life, no, that has a meaning, no? At mararamdaman din ninyo yan kung yung mga nakikita ninyong elements na yan ay mensahe para sa inyo because mararamdaman ninyo na it is a message for you. So, those are guidance, no? Sa inyo, Scorpio, at dinadaan ng Divine Universe through signs. So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Pisces. Pauna mensahe ninyo, wildflower. Live an uncontrolled life. Free to grow anywhere and bound by nothing. Ayan. So, parang maging malaya kayo. Ramdamin ninyo ang inyong kalayaan, yung inyong freedom to create the life that you want or to create the life that you are dreaming of, kumbaga. And Pisces, by the way, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagdo-donate sa ating channel. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong mga pinapadalang super thanks sa akin at I truly appreciate your generosity and sa inyong pag-share ng mga blessings ninyo with me. Maraming salamat po. We have potential. The littlest key can open the heaviest door. Ayan. So, there is so much potential out there, no? Including you. No, there are parang limitless potential din ang meron kayo and you have so much to share with the world or with the people around you, no? Pisces, maaring nakakalimutan na ninyo yan na you also have a lot of potential. You have talents, you have gifts, no? You have skills na you can capitalize, no? Para makapag-serve kayo ng maraming tao, ma-carry out ninyo din ang inyong life purpose, yung inyong mission sa buhay, yung mga ganon. Share, ayan. So, you have a lot of blessings siguro to share dito, no? Hindi lang pera, hindi lang resources, but also your talents, skills, and gifts. You know, those are blessings na nabigay sa inyo ng universe and maybe those are the ones that you are going to share with other people right now. Opportunity, there's no use looking for luck. It arrives at unexpected times. Ayan. So, there are so much potential talaga sa paligid ninyo para kayo ay magtagumpay, para kayo ay magawa ninyo yung mga bagay na gusto ninyong gawin because may mga opportunities and possibilities na nag-show up sa inyong paligid dito right at your door, no, para makapaghatid sa inyo ng prosperity and abundance, makapaghatid sa inyo ng joy, makapaghatid sa inyo ng pagkakataon para makatulong din kayo sa ibang tao, 'di ba? Yung ganon. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap for Pisces. We have assert yourself. Go for what you want. Ayan. So, parang sinasabi dito na i-push ninyo ang inyong sarili, no? Go for it. Kung ano man yung iniisip ninyo, ano man yung ina-envision ninyo for yourself, ano man yung goals ninyo, ano man yung dreams ninyo, you need to take action. No, you need to take action and go for what you want. Maaring nandito na ang pagkakataon na yan. Maaring yung opportunity na to is the opportunity, no, na makakasupport sa'yo na ma-achieve ninyo kung ano man yung gusto ninyong ma-achieve. The time is ripe for soulmate connections. Ayan, birth of a child also likely. Some of you Pisces may be manganganak, no? Or yung person ninyo manganganak. Or posible din naman na kung hindi man kayo ito, hindi man yung person ninyo, maaaring kamag-anak ninyo, kaibigan, you know, someone close to your heart siguro, no? Merong manganganak dyan. We have love. Love is in the air. It is a great time for commitment and taking relationships to the next level. Wow. So, love is in the air. For some of you, Pisces, lalo-lalo na siguro if you are already in a established relationship na, maaring ngayon may mga pag-uusap, no? For leveling up your commitment. Maring meron na ditong bubuo ng sariling pamilya, meron ng balak na mag-anak. Dito nga, may mga anak na. Ang iba sa inyo is going to, get married na siguro or live together na, yung mga ganon, no? So, this is really exciting for some of you. Posibilidad ng iba sa inyo, if you are single, maybe you are meeting your soulmate sa ngayon, or your twin flame, or yung potential na maging jowa ninyo. And maybe, you know, may naririnig din akong whirlwind romance. So, maaaring meron din ganong sitwasyon ng iba and you're going to enter a new love and romantic relationship at this time. Speaking of whirlwind romance, there is romance energy. Love is set to sizzle. The chance for romance is high for those seeking a connection. Ayan na nga. Parang kadugtong lang din siya nung sinabi kong huli, no, dito sa love energy. So, ang iba talaga sa inyo dito, maaring pumasok na sa isang love and romantic relationship sa ngayon. So, napaka-exciting nga ito pagdating talaga sa usaping pag-ibig and relationships. Twists and turns. Carefully made plans could be thrown out the window as major changes and interruptions surround you. Ayan, so siguro meron dito mga biglaang pangyayari, no? Siguro may mga divine detour na mangyayari dito for some of you na siguro may mga endeavor kayo na sinimulan nyo na siguro it's already rolling and may mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari na maaring maganap at maaring yung plano ninyo or yung konkreto ng plano na sinusunod nyo na sa ngayon, baka maisantabi, no? Maaring isasantabi ninyo yan at meron kayong bagong gagawin. Meron kayong pagpo-focus na bagong endeavor, bagong proyekto, no? Make sure you get lots of rest to cope up with the upheaval kasi parang baka ma-overwhelm kayo or mawindang kayo sa sitwasyon na ito, no, Pisces? Medyo siguro hindi, alam mo yun, yung parang may discomfort siguro kayo na mararamdaman dito, no? Because of this unexpected changes. So, good luck, Pisces, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.